you enjoy spending time with them, and they don't really inside out. Just that perspective changes me. I no longer get